Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manali Rathore. Roll number is MB 2004. Subject is Financial Management. College name is SAS Institute of Management Studies. The meaning of leverage. The leverage results from using borrowed capital as a funding sources when investing to expand the firm assets base and generate returns on the risk capital. The leverage is any investment strategy of using borrowed money, specifically the use of various financial instruments of borrowed capital to increase the return of investment. The definition of leverage. The first is the use of various financial instrument or borrowed capital such as a margin to percentage return of the investment. The second is the amount of debt used to finance a firm asset. A firm with significantly more debts considered to be highly leveraged. Classification. There are two types of leverage. First is the operating leverage, fixed costs associated with the running of firm. Financial leverage, fixed costs associated with the financial the firm. Degree of leverage, measure of how much leverage the firm uses. Operating leverage. Operating leverage is a ratio of a company fixed cost to variable cost. A firm with the relatively highly fixed operating cost will experience more variable operating income if sales change. Degree of operating leverage DOL. Operating leverage by using fixed operating cost, a small change in sales revenue is magnified into large change in operating income. The effect of operating leverage. More operating leverage leads to more business risk. Then small scale decline because a big profit decline. DOL is equal to percentage change in EBIT upon percentage change in sales. The change in EBIT upon EBIT. Change in sales upon sales. The F is the total fixed cost. P is equal to sales price per unit and U is equal to variable cost per unit. The degree of financial leverage DFL. Financial leverage by using fixed cost financing a small change in operating income in magnified into the larger change in earning per share. The last is a combined leverage. The combined leverage by using operating leverage and financial leverage. A small change in sales is magnified into the large change in earning per share. The levered company. Sales is 1 lakh unit, 14 lakh. Variable cost is 8 lakh. Fixed cost is 2,50,000. Interest paid is 1,25,000. Tax rate is 34%. Common share outstanding is 1 lakh. Degree of operating leverage from sales level S. DOLS is equal to sales minus variable cost upon EBIT is equal to 14 lakh minus 18 lakh upon 3,50,000 is equal to 1.714. The degree of financial leverage DFL is equal to EBIT upon EBIT minus I is equal to 3,50,000 upon 2,25,000 is equal to 1.556. The last is degree of combined leverage. DCL is equal to sales minus variable cost upon EBIT minus I is equal to 14 lakh minus 18 lakh upon 2,25,000. Is the final answer is equal to 2.667. Thank you.